Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. In the series of first calculation tricks, we are going to find the squares of the numbers in between 126 to 175. And we are going to take one example of the number in between 126 to 175, which is 164. 164 square. 164 can be written as 150 plus 14. So 164 square equal to 150 plus 14 whole square. So square of 150 is 22,500 plus 3 times of 14 is 42 and we multiply it by 100. So that is 4,200 plus square of 14 is 196. 225 and 42 is 267 plus 1 is 268. And after that we write 96. So square of 164 is 26,896. We take another number which is 136. So square of 136 equal to 150 minus 14 whole square. Again square of 150 is 22,500 and there is minus sign in between 150 and 14. So we write minus. And 3 times of 14 is 42 multiplied by 100 is 4,200 plus square of minus 14 is 196. As square of plus 14 or minus 14 is 196, we write 196. 225 minus 42 is 183 plus 1 is 184. So this becomes 184 96, that is 18,496. So square of 136 is 18,496. This short trick is also based on the algebraic identity of a plus or minus b whole square. So we will first go to that identity and how we are going to use that identity to make our short trick. That I will explain you. So the identity is a plus or minus b whole square equal to a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square. For finding the squares of the numbers in between 126 to 175, we are going to take 150 in place of a and x in place of b, where x is the number which is the difference of the given number for which we are going to find the square and 150. So I will give you the example. We solved the square of 164. So 164 can be written as 150 plus 14. And we had also solved the square of 136. So 136 can be written as 150 minus 14. So this way we are going to take the value 150 for all the squares in between 126 to 175 as the square of 150 plus or minus x whole square equal to square of 150 is 22,500 plus or minus 2ab. So this will be 2 into 150 into x plus b square. In place of b it is x square. So we have taken 150 because this 2 into 150 becomes 300 and it is always easy to multiply any number by the numbers which are multiple of hundreds, whether it is 100, 200, 300, 400, whatever may be the number. It is easy to multiply by these numbers which are multiple of hundreds. So this becomes 22,500 plus or minus 300 into x plus x square. So we first multiply x by 3 and then we multiply it by 100. So it becomes easy instead of multiplying it by 300. This way we use this identity to make our short trick for taking the squares of the numbers in between 126 to 175. We solve few more questions and then we will try to solve it orally. So our number is 133 square. 133 can be written as 150 minus 17. So square of 150 is 22,500 minus, as there is a minus sign in between 150 and 17. So we write minus, and 3 times of 17 is 51. So we multiply 51 by 100. That becomes 5,100. Plus square of 17 is 289. 225 minus 51 is 174. Plus 2 is 176. So we write 176 and then we write 89. So the square of 133 is 17,689. Now we take the square of 167. 167 can be written as 150 plus 17. So square of 150 is 22,500. This is the fixed thing we have to take in every square in between 126 to 175. Then 3 times of 17 is 51. Multiplied by 100 is 5,100. Plus square of 17 is 289. 225 plus 51 is 276. Plus 2 is 278. And after that we write 89. So the square of 167 is 27,889. We take few more questions. The square of 134 can be written as 150 minus 16 square. So this is equal to square of 150 is 22,500 minus 3 times of 16 is 48. So we write as 48 multiplied by 100, which is 4,800, plus square of minus 16 is 256. So this all equal to 225 minus 48 is 177 plus 2 is 179. So we write 179 and then after that we write 56. So the square of 134 is 17,956. This way we can find out the square of 134. Now we go to the next question, which is 146 square. 146 can be written as 150 minus 4. So 146 square equal to 150 minus 4 square. This is equal to again 22,500, which is square of 150, minus 3 times of 4 is 12, multiplied by 100 is 1,200, plus square of minus 4 is 16. So this all becomes 225 minus 12 is 213, and after that we will write 16. So we write 213 and then after that 16. So the square of 146 is 21,316. Now we should do all these orally without writing any steps to save our time and to do good practice of this short trick. We go to the next question and we will do it orally. 157 square. So first we will, as usual, instead of 22,500, we will be assuming 225 in our mind. Then the difference of 150 and 157 is 7. We'll make 3 times of 7, which is 21. So 225 plus 21 is 246. So we will first write 246. And then square of 7 is 49. So we write 49. So the square of 157 is 24,649. Now we go to the next question. 162 square. 162 can be written as 150 plus 12. So instead of 22,500, we will be assuming in our mind 225. And the 12, 150 plus 12, 12 is to be multiplied by 3. Then it becomes 36. 12 times 3 is 36. 225 plus 36 is 261. Plus square of 12 is 144. We will leave 44 and then we will carry 1. So 261 plus 1 is 262 and then we will write 44. So this becomes 262 and after that we will write 44. So the square of 162 is 26,244. Now we go to the square of 174. As usual, we'll be taking 225 instead of 22,500. And the difference between 174 and 150 is 24. So 3 times of 24 is 72. So 225 plus 72 is 297. And the square of 24 is 576. So we will be writing 76 and we will be carrying 5. And 297 plus 5 is 302. So we will write 302. This way the square of 174 is 30,276. We should try to do all these calculations in mind and do it orally to avoid all these writing work and save the time. In all competitive exams, the time is very important, and whatever the time we save, we are going to solve more number of questions and score more number of marks. I hope you have liked this video. Please share it among your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.